I just recently got a sous vide machine and decided to cook up these two bone-in ribeyes. One of the great things about being a content creator is my opportunity to try different cooking methods and styles. I'll admit the whole process is a little strange. Now, before vacuum sealing, the steaks were fully seasoned, but I added some garlic, butter, and rosemary. I placed them in the hot water, set to 130 degrees Fahrenheit, and let them cook for like 2 hours. I knew ahead of time that I had to sear the gray looking steaks at the end, so I decided to go with the chimney sear. Remember, these steaks were fully cooked. They just needed a little bit of color. Anyways, I gave these steaks a good dry and sear the heck out of them with the chimney. I knew I could get some great color this way, and since I didn't have a torch, I didn't really have any other choice. Give it a quick taste and
Mmm, super tender.
whew, man, they were delicious. All in all, I can't wait to try this process again and start cooking up different types of food. What are your thoughts on sous vide? Yay or nay?